So welcome to another outfits of the week. This is what I wore in June, at the start of June. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, I make content all about slow, sustainable fashion, thrifting, and also studio vlogs of running a small business. Yeah, so if you are interested, I'll leave my Instagram below, and you can subscribe here and follow along. And yeah, so let's get into it. This is the first look, and I was going out to Bloom, which is like this flower festival in Dublin, and I was wearing a thrifted skirt. The waistcoat is from Psychic Outlaw, the puff sleeve top, I can't remember where it's from, but I got it on Depop, I think. And then my faux fur bag is from ASOS last year, I think. Yeah. I really liked how the colours of this look came together, and this is me attempting to film in public. Here are some beautiful flowers that I saw at the festival, just in the grounds, and I love how as these videos progress, like the flowers that I'm seeing each month are changing too. So yeah, it's really nice to kind of have that here too. It was a nice sunny day, which you don't always get in Ireland, and then afterwards I went out, and this bomber is from Finders Keepers, which is a vintage shop in Bray in Ireland. We had some really good weather the next day too, so I went walking with my friends, and here's some of the beautiful views that we could see. And today I was just wearing a thrifted cardigan. I think I showed you a while back. I got the shorts, I thrifted them on holidays. My bag is thrifted, I think it's originally Primark. Yeah, and the hat I got on holidays. The next day I did a little bit of thrifting before going into the studio, and these really fun socks I got in Tiger. I think they were like €1. I bought a few pairs because I thought they're amazing. They're like glittery as well. The tall skirt I thrifted a while back. I think it's originally H&M, and the shirt are also thrifted. I picked up this Karen Millen silky blouse. It was kind of like a stretchy fabric, but I really liked the kind of long sleeve cuffs. I thought that would be interesting for styling, like for layering under jumpers. And then I couldn't resist this fuchsia pink sequin top. Again, I thought it would be really fun to use it as a layering piece, but it could also be worn as a vest in the summer. So yeah, that was the thrifting I did before heading into the studio. And then I really liked the next day's outfit. I wore these denim jeans that I got there originally from Diesel, and they've got all this kind of distressed fabric that's been like melded to the front of them. They're really fun, really interesting. And then the lime green jumper is Zara, I think, and then vinyl jacket is from Topshop. I remember seeing it years ago, and then I eventually found it on Depop. And then the tote bag is by me. It's from my small brand, and the sandals are Ganni. I really like this look. I thought it was quite fun, and I enjoyed wearing it. So the next day's look was pretty basic, just heading into the studio for the day. So I have this jacket, I think it's originally H&M, a vintage pink jumper that I thrifted a while back, and a long skirt that I also thrifted a while back. Yeah, so just a very casual look for today. The next day was Friday, so I try and always have a little fun with my outfit on Friday. This is me just heading into the studio. So I have on this printed vintage dress that I thrifted a good few years ago. I really like the print on it. I like the colours, And then the vest is my Psychic Outlaw patchwork vest that I got a while back. My bag is my Carhartt bag that I just bring everywhere. It's always really, really full. I actually can't remember where I got my glasses either. I'm trying my best to figure out how to record my outfits. So I found this other space that I think is good for kind of showing you the full outfit as well. Yeah, I like the kind of colours in the dress. I think even though it's like a full-on print, it is kind of quite simple because it's just 2 colours in the print. And then I'm in the studio now and I'm just showing you again because I'm not too sure which way of showing the outfit is best. So yeah, I'm just going to show you again in the studio in different light what it looks like. And then I thought I would end this vlog by showing you lots of pieces that I have thrifted this week. I think I quite like the idea of adding this in at the end of each outfit of the week if there's anything that I have picked up to show you. So yeah, this jumper, it's originally by American Vintage, which is quite a pricey brand. Yeah, it's really comfy and casual, and I think it would be really nice kind of in the autumn, winter, so kind of thinking ahead, I suppose. But I really like how it looks on as well. It's kind of like a slouchy fit, so I was happy with that one. This piece was my favourite find. I love sequins. I think you might know that by now. Anything sparkly I love, but I really like the shape of these sequins. And this top just makes me so happy, and I have lots of different ways that I might style this, but I'm really happy to have something like this in my wardrobe. Even though it's quite out there, it still like will be something that I can wear year after year. And the next piece I found, I really liked the print. I thought it was really fun. I would imagine it's probably from early 2000s, and I love how thick this metallic print is on the fabric. Yeah, and just as a layering piece, I think it'll be quite fun to layer with. Yeah, and then finally I picked up this stripy dress, which I really liked the diagonal stripe on it. I thought it was quite fun, and I can imagine using this as a layering piece under, like having a big jumper over it, and just kind of the contrast of those stripes with whatever pattern I have on top. So yeah, this was a nice find too. So that's going to go ahead and finish up this week's outfits of the week. I hope you enjoyed. I make these videos every week along with my studio vlogs of running a small fashion business. So lots of content all about slow and sustainable fashion. So if you'd be interested, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the summer, so any help would be much appreciated. And I hope to catch you in the next one. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.